Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I did my own tooth feedings, and I'm gonna show y'all step by step. This is beginner friendly, so keep watching. So first what you want to do is you want to part out your edges that you're using to do your edges with, and then you want to spritz your hair down so your flyaways can be into the braid. And I don't use jam because jam curl my hair up, so I just use spritz instead. So now I'm just parting my hair into 3 sections, and then I'm braiding it like 3 or 4 times, and then I add the hair into it. Okay, y'all gonna see how I add it in there. So I use my pointy finger, my thumb finger, then I grab it with my pointy finger and then pull it over, and then I use the top and then braid it under the one at the bottom. So yeah. Then you just braid it twice before you add the next piece of hair into there, and then you make sure you get all of the tangles out before you add the next piece of hair, so you won't have no flyaways sticking out your braid. Okay, for all my beginners watching this, you might not get it on your first try because you're not used to doing braids like this, but you will eventually know how to do it because it takes time, practice, and patience to do braids on your own head. So yeah. And another thing, make sure you braid it closer to the edge of your head because it's gonna look better like that instead of going straight to the back of your head. And another thing, y'all, make sure y'all pay attention to the end of the hair because it will get tangled up and it will start to form like knots and stuff. But when you taking the knots out, do it in a slow pace, and start from the bottom to the top because if you try to pull the knots out, it ain't gonna do nothing but make it tighter. And if you need help detangling your hair, you can ask a friend or a family member to help you untangle the hair at the bottom. Cause I asked my sister to help me, so yeah. So now I'm just doing the same thing I did to the other side to this side, and I'm just laying all my flyaways down. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how I got this little blue color at the end of my hair too. How I added that. So keep watching. So now I'm just using a spritz so I can lay all the rest of my flyaways down. And then you done. Period. Yeah. Mm, mm, okay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. And we out.